2023 Dodge Charger. With less than 61,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. Enjoy the many extra comfort and convenience features included, such as Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, parking aid sensor, backup camera, power driver seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist. Take home the car of your dreams today.